fun and recreation. Here are some scriptures that you may find helpful to meditate on for fun and recreation. These verses remind us that there is a time for everything, that we should rejoice in each day that God has given us, that having a cheerful heart is good for our well-being, that we should enjoy the blessings that God has provided us with, and that we should find joy in the simple pleasures of life. I want you to take a deep breath and breathe out slowly through your nostrils and mouth. Continue to do this for 5 times. It should be enough to get you to relax and become conscious of now, right here at this moment. Think about these scriptures and release them while I say them out to you. Become aware of this very moment as I read out these scriptures. Ecclesiastes 3, 1-4. There is time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. Psalms 118, verse 24. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Proverbs 17, verse 22. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. 1 Timothy chapter 6, verse 17. Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant, not to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Ecclesiastes 8, verse 15. So I commend the enjoyment of life, because there is nothing better for a person under the sun than to eat and drink and be glad. Then joy will accompany them in their toil all the days of the life God has given them under the sun. You are going to say these words with me while you feel your breath under you, that these words are manifesting right now in your life. As you say these words, become emotionally attached to them. It's in the emotional attachment that the miracle happens for you. Here we go. I understand the time for everything in my life as ordered by God. This is the day which the Lord has made. Therefore, I rejoice and I am glad because of it. I am cheerful and happy. My cheerfulness is my own medicine, and I produce for others as well. God has richly provided everything for my enjoyment. My hope is in God. All the days of my life, I have chosen to be happy and cheerful.